Right, this is how to fit a chassis into an undrilled cabinet. Now, this is an amp maker SE5A chassis. Make sure the front panel's fitted so you can get that to fit right up against the front. Sometimes the piping is in the way. You have to lift it just a little bit over the piping just to make sure it's a snug fit. The first thing you do is measure from the back to the back edge, which in this case is 15mm. So once you've got that measurement, you can take that out, turn it over, bit of masking tape down each side where the screw holes are going to go. And then you mark the 15mm in the back edge. And you do that by putting a straight edge up against there and marking 15mm. Same the other end. Straight edge up against there. Mark your 15mm and make a line like that. Then you put your chassis on top. Bring it up against the line, right up against it. Straight edge again. Against the side. And just get the chassis centred. And that says 14mm. That's 16, so we tap that across there a bit. Get it the same both sides. That's it. Make sure that's in line still. Just check that again. That says 15. That's 15. So then we mark through the holes. In the case of a chassis where the flange is tucked underneath, you're forced to measure it. You have to just make sure you've got the measurement there. This is easier this way though. And then you just mark the middle of those. when you've marked them, centre punch them. Now, to do the centre punching, I use an old posi drive screwdriver that's all rounded off. I've sharpened the end of it. Right, now I've done that, it is possible to just drill through it. But if you do that, the inside is going to splinter. You'll see splintered wood inside. So what I do, a couple of pieces of scrap wood, now you put one bit on top, another bit underneath, right up against the edge, and you clamp that there like that. The piece on top is to stop the clamp from marking the tullex. If you haven't got a clamp, you can get a piece of wood and wedge it from inside. Anyway, when that's done, most chassis are fixed with a 6mm screw, so I make the hole with an 8.5mm drill, which gives a bit of leeway for lining up. Same the other end, obviously. Don't make the mistake of drilling the top instead of the bottom. And that's it. That's your holes drilled. Then all you have to do is just tidy up the edges from around here. Don't have to bother with the inside because that's already neatly cut when you've drilled through it, but the outside isn't. That's it, new blade required. These bloody blades are useless. They never used to snap that often. There you go, done. Now, I'll slide that under there, check it. Perfect.